Today we're taking behind the scenes on how we shot this stop motion video for NortHErn Co, who answered our brand call out. We shot it on an iPhone using the Life Lapse app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. Before you get started, be sure to switch your phone's auto lock to never so it doesn't switch off while you're capturing your photos. To start a new project, click the big blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Once your scene is ready, be sure to lock your exposure, white balance and focus so these stay consistent in each photo. And don't forget to secure your backdrop so it doesn't move before you get started. We used a Bluetooth remote to capture our photos, so we made sure our phone volume was turned up to hear each photo. We're creating a stop motion with a bit of an outdoors theme to complement NortHErn Co's sweatshirt. We start by sliding in the sweatshirt, taking a photo between each movement. Don't worry that the scene isn't perfectly in shot, this is going to be fixed in the editing stage. Once the sweatshirt is near the top of the scene, that's when we start to unravel it slowly. Before you start, you can test out how you're going to unroll the sweatshirt so that you know what to do to get it properly in shot. Helpful if the sweatshirt has a design on it. Next up, we started introducing some more ingredients bit by bit, taking a photo between each movement. This stop motion took 10 minutes to shoot and edit. It has 70 photos in it. Here is the view through the phone capturing the photos. We pre-burnt a marshmallow to replace with because it was the easiest and safest way to do it. We're sliding on the graham cracker. It was a bit of a juggling act to do this. And we're replacing the small with one that has bites taken out of it. This was the easiest and quickest way to do that. Next up was adding in a cup of hot cocoa to the scene. In came a woodsy coaster bit by bit. Then the empty mug itself. The mug handle was purposely pointing up because we will be turning it once it is on the coaster. Once on the coaster, we slowly turn the mug, filling it with the hot cocoa at the same time. Lastly, we add some mini marshmallows. Once you have all your photos, you can open the in-app editor for any editing that you wish to do. For this video, we used the tilt function to pinch and zoom so we could adjust the crop and move it around. So that's where the backdrop and everything's all in the scene. You can no longer see the floor or the tape. We used the reverse feature so we could do this on the final image, and then we just hit the reverse button again. Next up, we put a freeze effect on the final frame. We also increased the brightness and saturation, decreased the warmth. We used the reverse feature so we could do this on the final image, and then we just hit the reverse button again. We increased our speed, and to save, click the button in the top right hand corner, and here's a reminder of the final result.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.